You spend 6 weeks on the guide, and in 6 months it gets 6 clicks. Why does that happen? I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. Are you building content, or are you scattering it? Here's the thing. Most creators treat every piece like a one-off. It looks busy on the surface, but nothing actually compounds. What I want to show you is a simple 3-part rhythm that turns one topic into durable search authority, useful tools, and low-friction offers that actually convert. Start with a long-form cornerstone, a hub that genuinely organizes the topic. Think 1, 800 to 2, 500 words. Definitions, the main problems people search for, and a clear next step path. Then design those sections so they see a handful of short Q&A pages and how-to guides that link back. That linking is the engine. Picture an authority hub about off-grid water systems. Explain system types, costs, maintenance cadence, and decision trees for different climates. Break each section into a seed question. Best pump for gravity-fed systems, how to winterize a storage tank. Those targeted pages pick up long-tail queries and pass relevance back to the hub with contextual links and a tidy start here path on the sidebar. I can hear you. I can't code a calculator, Ace. Fair. You don't need to. A spreadsheet, a bit of simple math, and an embeddable CSV export is enough. Or use a no-code widget. The point is the tool solves one search intent and keeps people on the page longer. Those tactical assets, short how-tos, templates, checklists, or tiny tools are the second column. They give immediate value, a checklist someone can print, a calculator that spit out cost estimates, or a template they can copy. People use them, they spend more time on your site, and you get clear places to test CTAs without sounding like a billboard. Concrete. Add a cost estimate calculator for that off-grid water setup. 1 input screen, 3 outputs. Upfront cost, annual maintenance, break even. Embedded inside a 600-word tactical guide and offer a downloadable checklist called starterpartslist.pdf behind a tiny microconversion. That single file gives you a measurable action. The third column is transactional. Not a huge course, but a shelf of micro offers. A $7 checklist, a $27 micro course, an affiliate parts bundle, maybe a small consultancy add-on. These are matched to the tactical assets. If someone just used a calculator, the $7 checklist is the logical next step. Low friction, obvious fit, quick feedback. Keep checkout minimal. 1 page, 3 fields max, immediate digital delivery, plus 1 optional small upsell that's clearly related. For example, after they grab starterpartslist.pdf, offer a discounted parts sourcing bundle as an optional add-on. Measure that microconversion and learn fast. Now, how do you build this without burning time? Use a weekly micro build cadence. Week 1. Publish or refresh the Cornerstone Hub and map 4 to 6 tactical targets. Week 2, ship 1 tactical asset, a 600-word guide with the embedded calculator and the starterpartslist.pdf. Week 3, add a $7 test offer behind that tactical page and measure for 7 days. Repeat. Little measurable wins stack into real authority. Micro case study, quick and real. I worked on a small site about backyard beekeeping. We added a hive planning widget, a 400-word tactical guide, and a $7 checklist behind a micro conversion. In 2 weeks, the checklist converted at about 1.8%, and organic clicks to the hub doubled for a set of long-tail queries. Small pieces, clear fit, measurable lift. 3 metrics to watch, not vanity stuff. 1. Search intent match. Are you answering the queries people actually type? Use Search Console to compare queries and page content. 2. Internal center. Are visitors moving from tactical pages to the hub or the offer? 3. Microconversion rate. the percent who grabbed that $7 item, checklist, or download. Those three tell you if the system is healthy. Common mistakes and quick fixes. Spreading across too many topics. Focus on one. Building tactical tools that attract clicks but don't connect to revenue. Add one CTA and measure. Launching offers that don't match intent. Test the $7 offer before scaling. Finish one minimal asset a week and you avoid analysis paralysis. And another listener worry, I don't have time for a 2,000-word guide. Start smaller. Publish an 800-word hub or even a detailed outline, then iterate. The internal links and tactical additions are the real compounding fuel, not perfect prose on day one. Check this out. Here's a 15-minute action you can do right now. Open your analytics. Pick a topic where you already have 2 or 3 posts and decide one tactical asset you can ship in an afternoon. Name it, for example, starterpartslist.pdf. Outline the guide and schedule to publish. Ship. Link it to your hub. Measure micro conversions for a week. Small loop, big signal. If you want more episodes like this, subscribe. I'll keep sharing systems you can actually use, with real examples and tiny playbooks you can run in an afternoon. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.